Hello friends, good morning. I hope you all are well and fine. And we have done related to last chapters, all questions answered. Chapter number 4 question answer we have completed. Only one question has remaining. I said that I will send this picture in a group. Today I will discuss this topic in detail. What was the question? Actually, it's very IMP question, so I thought it I will discuss this question in our class. Okay. The question is different. State the difference between a commercial bank and a central bank. If you want, you can take screenshot from here. Okay, so you can easily write this answer in your notebook with the help of this. State the difference between a commercial bank and a central bank. You know, means of the central bank, means of the commercial bank, but very other things are also there, so we can write this difference. Actually, this question has in 3 marks in the fourth section in our textbook, and this question has repeated in last 2 years. It has repeated, so it's IMP question. You have to write same answer in your notebook. For this answer, you have to draw one more column here, this side, and you have to write the main heading difference point. Okay, first point you have to write here difference point, second one will be commercial bank, third one will be central bank, and before that we have write number, serial number. Okay, so what is our first one? First one is the objective. Okay, our objectives are, first one is objective. We have to write from here objectives. So for this, objectives are, commercial bank's objective is what? To earn maximization of profit. What is the main objective of the commercial bank? Commercial bank's main objective is to maximize the main objective of the commercial bank is to earn and maximize the profit. Second side, central bank's main objective. Central bank's objective is maximize economic welfare of a country. Which welfare? Economic welfare. Okay. Then after next one is, in that our first point will be here. We will draw like this, a table, one more extra column here, and in this column we have to write difference point. Why we will write the difference point? If we are going to write the difference point, it will be more easy to learn. Because of only we have to learn the difference point and we can complete our answer. So that only difference point we can keep in our mind and we can write very well. There's all points. The first point will be what? Objectives. What we have to write here? First point will be objectives. So in this objective, we have to write first for the commercial bank. Okay. What is the first point? Objective. What is the first difference point? Objective. Okay. And for this, we have to write first the objective, main objective of the commercial bank is to earn maximum profit. To earn maximum profit. It is the first. Then second side. The second side is the main objective of a central bank is what? Maximize the economic welfare. What is its main objective? Maximize the economic welfare of a country. Okay. Second, next one point is we have to write next one point here. Commercial bank deals with general public. Deals. What we have to write? Deals. DEALS. It is our second point. So commercial bank deals with general public. Commercial bank deals with whom? With general public. Well, because of whenever we are going to deposit our surplus amount, where we can deposit, can we deposit in the central bank? No, we can deposit only in the commercial bank. So commercial bank deals with general person or general public. Central bank does not deals with public. Okay, why? Because of central bank will deal to the commercial bank, and commercial bank can deal with to the directly general public. Okay, so what is our second point? Second point will be deals. Then after our third point is this one point we can write here also deals. Okay, then after third one point is related to commercial bank, that is the accept deposit. Accept deposit. What is our third point? Our third point is accept deposits. We have to write here accept deposits. Then we have to start our third point. Commercial bank accept deposit from the public. If we are going to deposit our money, we write to deposit in the commercial bank. So our all type of deposit will accept by the commercial bank. Okay. Next one. Central bank does not accept deposit directly from the general public. Correct? Next one. Next one point is dealing with, sorry. What type of bank? Okay. You can write here Apex Bank. Apex. What you have to write for? Apex. Commercial bank is not Apex Bank. It's just like a deals with general. So it is general bank. What type of bank? General bank. And central bank is what type of bank? Central bank is Apex Bank. Because of it is an apex institution of a country. Okay, for the monetary and banking structure of the country. Next one, if you want, you can write here meaning. What is heading here? Meaning. If you want, you can write meaning. Otherwise, you can write first. We have to write here meaning. If you want, you can start. This point will be first. It will be second. Okay, this one will be second. It is the first. It is the second point. So if you are going to numbering the answer, you can numbering the first meaning, and this one point which has given in the fourth, this we have to write for first. What is our first point? Meaning. Commercial bank is a bank dealing with the general dealing with the general public, accepting deposit from the making loans to large number of the household and farms. So it is the first point, and this one will be second. Next one is the central bank is the apex institution of the monetary and banking structure of the country. Fifth one. Fifth one is currency issue. What is our fifth point? Our fifth point will be currency issue. Fifth point will be currency issue. Currency issue. Commercial bank can not have any type of issue these currencies, and central bank can issue the currency and have all type of monopoly for the power of the issue notes. Okay, so we have to write here commercial bank does not have right to issue currency. Okay, and second side we have to write central bank has the monopoly for this power to issue the notes. Note, that means what? All type of currencies. When I explained that time, I said that all type of currency only and only issued by the RBI in our India. Okay, and it has to generate by the RBI in India because of the RBI has the authority to all issue the currency. Okay, only 1 rupee note and all type of coins can be issued by the can be generated by the our Indian government, but that also will be issued by the RBI on behalf of the government. There's all coins and 1 rupee paper note, and all other will be issued by the RBI. Not only issued, generated by the RBI also. Clear? Next one, 6 point is a country has a large number of commercial banks. Next one, 6 point. 6 point is what? 6 point is a country has a large number of commercial banks. Here you can write number. What you have to write? Number of banks. Number of bank. Number of bank you have to write from here. It is our main heading. And then after you start, in our country, number of commercial banks are Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, okay, SBI. So various commercial banks are here. There's all ICICI, Axis Bank, there's all. So we have to write here, in our country, large number of commercial banks. Okay. And second side, we can write a country has only one central bank. How many central bank we have? We have only one, that is RBI, or we have three, four RBI and that and this. No, that means a country has only one central bank. Okay, and so many various commercial banks, large number of the commercial banks. Okay, in our India, various commercial banks are here, but central bank is only one, that is RBI. Next one is the guidelines. What we can write here next? Next one is the guideline. For this, we can write which guideline have issued by or which guideline given by the RBI. Commercial banks operate this all. Commercial bank operate this all work and policies which has given by the RBI. So commercial bank operate under the guidelines of the central bank. Under the guidelines of the central bank. Okay. And second side is the central bank regulates the entire banking system of the country. Why central bank will be regulate the all type of entire banking system? Entire banking system, that means what? Monetary policy and this all. Because of commercial bank have the responsibility of the all type of monetary work which is going on in a country. So central bank regulate the entire banking system of the country because of central bank has this authority. Okay. Now next one is related to ninth, commercial bank owned by with government. Owned. Our next point will be owned. So commercial bank owned by both government and public, both. But this one will operate by government and public both. You can say private and government, both bodies. And central bank owned only by the government. Last one is point, or 10th number point is, sorry, one point is remaining. Commercial bank is a banker only of the general public. So 8 point is what? 8 point is what? Bank. Only bank you can write. Commercial bank is a banker only of the general public. Only of the whom? General public. And central bank acts as a banker to a government. Whose bank? Central bank is the government of a country and also banker of the commercial bank, because of whenever this commercial bank have requirement of the money, from whom they can borrow only from the, in the last, from whom they can borrow from the central bank. So this one, central bank acts as a banker to the government of a country and also the banker of the commercial banks. Last one, ninth point is owned by whom? Okay, owned. What is the main heading? Owned. Commercial bank owned by both government as well as private bodies. Because of, you know, Axis Bank is private bank, ICICI is private bank, SBI is government bank, Punjab National Bank is government bank. So we have this commercial bank, private as well as government. Here central bank is only government. Central bank is what? Central bank is only government. Okay. Next one. Commercial bank, last one is example. What we have to write? 10th number. 10th number is example. Next last 10th number is example. The example you can write this all. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda. There's all name you can write here. Second side, RBI, Reserve Bank of India is the central bank. So we have completed this all points. From beginning to last, we will again revise some points. These points are first one point has related to first one point is related to meaning. It is given in the fourth, but we have to write in the first. This one point will be in the first. Okay. So what we have to write for this? We have to write for this first. Second one will be general public deals. Sorry, second one point is the what? Deals. You can write here deals. It is our second point. Third one is what? Accept deposits. Accept deposits. This one point is what? It is our next third point. And fourth point, sorry, first one point is the meaning. Second one point is objective. Third one is deal. And fourth one is accept deposits. Next one, fifth point is the right. Okay, right to issue. Commercial bank do not have to right to issue currencies. And central bank has the right and monopoly power to issue the note. Sixth one is related to numbers. Okay, numbers of bank. In our country now, large number of commercial banks are here. And central bank is only one. Next one, commercial bank operate under the guideline of the central bank and all types. So what is our main heading? Main heading is operate. Operate. What we have to write? Operate. Okay. So commercial bank operate under the guidelines of the central bank, and central bank regulates the entire banking system of the country. Next one is related to, next one point is 7. We have completed. Now eighth one. Eighth one is related to eighth one point is related to our bankers. Okay. Commercial bank is a banker only of the general public, and central bank is the bank for government and at one point is related to this banker is only of the general public and central bank is only for government. Okay, so you can write this banker. What is our main heading? Banker. Ninth point, commercial bank owned. So what we have to write here? Owned. WOWNED. Owned. Okay. So commercial bank owned by both government as well as private. But central bank is owned by the government only. Only by the government it can be, not any other. Okay. Next one is the example. What is the last our point? Example. The last point is example. SBI Bank, Punjab National Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and IDBI. This is all name you have to write here because of this all are examples. So some 5-6 examples. So you can write 5 examples. Second side, Apex Bank is only one. That is the RBI. Clear? So we have completed this answer. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask about it. Now we have done totals 10 points. In this 10 points, we can explain very well this all. So first of all, you have to draw extra column here and you have to write here. There's all main headings. Okay. Main headings are 10. From meaning you have to start, then it will be easy to explain. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you. We have to start from this meaning, then objectives. Third one is what? Third one is deals. Fourth one, accept deposit. Fifth one is right to issue the currency. Right to issue the currency. Sixth one is numbers. Seventh one is operate. Okay, operate guidelines. Next one, banker. Ninth one is what? Ninth one is related to on. And last one is example. So these are total 10 points, and I hope it is very easy and very easy. You can easily learn very well by this table. So you have to write this answer in table. Now next point, next topic is we have completed all. If you have any query, other question, you can discuss with me. You can personally message me. Okay. And now at present, we have completed chapter number 4. There's all other questions also we have completed. Now this time I have completed this one question. State the difference between commercial bank and central bank. This one question I have explained in detail now only. And there's all other questions we have completed that day. Okay. From glossary also, bank related meaning, credit creation, and all other meaning we have completed. You have to learn this one. Open your textbook, and from this page number 46, open the page number 46, and on this page we have this means of the scheduled bank. What do you mean by the scheduled bank? Scheduled bank, that means what? Scheduled bank, that means what? Scheduled bank is that bank which are listed in the second listed of the RBI. Second listed of RBI 1934. Okay, are called scheduled bank. Next one is what? Central bank. It's also we have done in 2-mark question. Monetary policy, 2-mark questions we have completed. Primary deposit. What do you mean by the primary deposit? Deposits in the form of initial public saving with banks are called primary deposit. What do you mean by the primary deposit? From here you can learn and write. Secondary deposit also you can write. Additional deposit derived from by banks when loan created from primary deposits are accounted in banks are called secondary deposits. Okay. What do you mean by the government securities? Government securities, that means what? Interest bearing bond floated by government in the market to raise money, which are purchased by the people and are repurchased by the government after a fixed period are called government securities in simple terms. Actually, if you have listened this word Indra Vikas bond, because of it is a type of bond, it is type of the security. And other securities also which has a government. When government want to raise the money and when government want to control the money, that time this type of security is used by the government for the sell and purchase. Okay, and by that money can be flowed in the market. Next one, store of value function of the money. That means it is also a function of money. Store of value, that means what? Money implies that money is stored. Okay, if today I will earn 1000 rupees, that means I will use also 1000 rupees today only? No, I can use this 1000 rupees whenever I require in future. That time I will use this 1000 rupees. Clear? So this type of money can be stored, and this function has this all type of currencies. In our India, money in rupees, so we will unit of our money is rupees. Okay, so this rupees we will store for the long time period, and after that we can be used. So it has the function of that. Okay, store of value. So that's all. Glossary also you have to learn. This chapter, this topic, or question answer, everything is over from this chapter. Next one chapter I will start in my next video. Okay, poverty. But before that, if I will complete one by one all chapters, nothing its meaning. If you are also reading, you are also learning, you are completing your assignment, then it will be helpful for you. Then also you can learn. Otherwise, I will complete full syllabus. After that, you will think, ma'am, I have not completed a single chapter. Then what? Well, nothing any meaning of that. If you are also completing with me, then it's okay, because of you will get sufficient time for the revision, and without revision no one can learn for the long time period. So what will you do in your exam? Okay, from my side I have completed 4 chapters, but if you will revise, if you will ask any type of query and doubts, then also it has any meaning. Otherwise nothing any meaning of that. I will complete from my side full syllabus, but you will not get, you will not revise, you will not read, then what? So please you learn and write this question answer in your notebook, because of your exam is going to start from 29th. So 29th and 30 you have exam. After that you have to submit chapter number 3rd related all question answer. Okay. I have completed 4th also. So if you have completed 3rd, then you have to write 4th also. So your syllabus will be complete with me only. And some lazy students who are waiting for my next and next instruction, then your syllabus will not complete after exam also. So please you have to start your hard work. Otherwise you will never get passing marks. And what type of rules and regulation will government change? We don't know. Government will change some rules and regulation for our exam also. Then what will we will do in the last? So please you have to complete your syllabus at whatever pre-decided time has given here. On that only you have to complete. I have completed 4 chapters. I hope you have also completed 4 chapters. Okay, and write it and revise the same topic yourself. Thank you. We will meet again in the next period. Thank you.